Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 7th August 2025, Thursday, Vishwasanama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishma Ritu, Adi Masam, that is Kataka Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 2:42 p.m. Trayodashi, then Chaturdashi. Thursday, that is Guruvasaram, up to 2:58 p.m. Puranam, then Uttarashada Nakshatram. Today's Yogam, Vishwanabham, Rahualam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Today's good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. Then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise 6:05 a.m. Chandrashtam for Rishabha Rashi, Shulam South. Prayachittam, Jinjili oil, Shraddha Tithi, Chaturdashi. Tomorrow, Varalakshmi Vradam.